The month of July saw a lot of similar trends to last month in June, so nothing crazy changed in terms of what's going on with mortgage rates. We're seeing the 30-year fixed rate mortgage still kind of stay in the 6.75 range, a little bit more, a little bit less depending on the day, but that's kind of been the trend throughout the month of July. It seems as if home prices are really stabilizing. So we're not seeing a lot of movement or appreciation happening so far during the course of the year, and we're seeing that slowdown continue. We're also seeing a lot of listings nationally get price reductions. So about 40% of homes during the month of June had price reductions, and we're continuing to see that trend play out. As affordability remains maybe the biggest challenge for home buyers and potential sellers, who would then have to purchase another property, we're seeing things like seller concessions, we're seeing things like price reductions, rate buy downs, and we're also seeing gifts from family members show up quite a bit to help potential buyers manage some of the higher costs of purchasing a home. One of the main issues that continues to remain at the forefront for a lot of people in the state of Michigan are property taxes. With the increase of home values that's been so significant over the past decade, property taxes are continuing to go up quite a bit when a new sale happens, particularly if that home has not sold in a relatively significant period of time. We expect mortgage rates to continue to remain in this range. There's expectations that the Fed may cut rates a little bit later in the year, but we've been also saying that for quite a while, and a lot of that will depend on what happens with inflation moving forward. So don't expect any major changes to happen anytime in the near future, but as always, owning a home continues to be a great long-term investment, and it certainly beats the heck out of renting. And so if you have an opportunity to look at getting approved or purchasing a home, this is a good time to consider doing that. And one of the good things about this market is, as a buyer, you might not have nearly as much competition as if rates were lower. So that continues to remain a common theme for the course of the year. If there's anything that you want to talk through in more detail, please don't hesitate to reach out.